Yeah, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Afif bin Muhammad.
My name is Muhammad Shahi Aiman bin Mahdi.
Okay, and my name is Babat Sayuti bin Babat Syukran.
Okay, so now we will present you about Lab 2 Synchronous Condenser. So I will pass to Sayuti.
Okay, so the equipment that we use in this project is first is synchronous motor. We use the 2 units which is SE2662 3M and S2262 5Q. So and then we use the 3-phase power supply and DC voltage regulator and digital or analog meter, and then DOL direct online starter, and then we use the DC protection switch. So I will pass to the chairman.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so for procedure, we will measure power factor, real power, reactive power and apparent power in step of 5 volt from 0 volt to 95 volt.
Okay, so let's go.
Okay.
Okay, so the circuit for Lab 2 has been constructed and I will show you the connection. Okay, so this is the supply and it will connect with the DOL starter and it will connect to the motor and the first digital multimeter. Okay, so the first digital multimeter will measure power factor, true power, reactive power and apparent power. Then from the motor it will go back to the supply and it will connect to the second digital multimeter. Okay, so this second digital multimeter will measure the voltage out. Alright, so that's all for the Lab 2 connection. Okay, thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Today I will present about how to do the practical with synchronous motor 3M. Okay, so first we will start on the motor, then in DOL starter. Okay, when the motor is running, and then we increase the voltage until 5 volts. And then what we will measure is we will measure the power factor, real power, reactive power and appearance power. And then so after we measure the for the 5 volt, and then we repeat for the voltage 0 until 95 volt. And then so that's all for 3M motor. And now we pass to the Shahid to do the same step to the 5Q synchronous motor. Thank you.
Okay, now I will show the practical. First, we start up the motor. Then we increase the field voltage in 5 volt. Okay. Okay, then we will measure the power factor. Watt, VAR and VA. Okay, we will repeat this step from 0 voltage until 95 voltage. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Asma Husna. So today I will present the calculation for Lab 2, which is synchronous condenser. First of all, as you can see, here is the apparent power triangle diagram. At this hypotenuse side, you can have the apparent power. At this A side, you can have reactive power, while for the base side is for active power. So here is the formula for apparent power, power factor and the true power. The formula for apparent power is S equal to V times I equal to square root V squared plus Q squared. This is for apparent power. For the power factor is true power divided by apparent power, while for the true power is equal to P equal S times power factor. So here is the table. For this example, we were using 45 volt excitation voltage to calculate the power factor, true power, apparent power, and reactive power. So here is the measure table. This from the for this table 1 is for SM1, which is synchronous motor 1. This is the second table for synchronous motor. It is for the reference for the calculation. This is from the measured. Okay, so here I will show you how to calculate the power factor, true power, apparent power, and reactive power. First, let's see for the synchronous motor 1, to calculate the power factor is equal to true power divided by apparent power. We have 6.9 watt is divided to 44.9 volt is equal to 0.15 for power factor. For the synchronous motor 2, the true power is 16.78 watt is divided to 36.63 volt is equal to 0.458 power factor. Next, how to calculate the true power? For the SM1, the apparent power is 44.9 times 0.154 power factor is equal to 6.915 watt. For the SM2, the apparent power is 36.66 times 0.458 power factor is equal to 16.79 watt. So here is how to calculate the apparent power. For the SM1, we use exciting voltage for 45 volt also. So the calculation is square root P square plus Q square. So here is the formula. The P is 6.9 plus Q 44.7 square is equal to 45.23 volts. While for the SM2, the P is 16.78 square plus 3 32.59 square is equal to, square root is equal to 36.67 volts. Okay, the last one, how to calculate the reactive power. Okay, so for the SM1, the calculation is we have apparent power square root, apparent power square minus the true power square. Okay, how to calculate? The apparent power is 44.9 square minus 6.9 true power is equal to 44.37 volts. For the SM2, the S is 36.66 minus 16.78 square is equal to 32.59 volts. Okay, so that's how you calculate the reactive power, apparent power, true power, and power factor. Okay, by the power triangle formula, we can also calculate the apparent power, reactive power by using this measured value from the lab practical. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.